Okay, we're back in the bathroom. What I'm doing here now is just take the sharp edge off this tile. That's all you need. I do have the polishing discs, but too slow. It's just a light sand like that. It must be that one. Be that one. And that is the process, people. Right, so now what I'll do, people, is I'll glue these in, and then I'll pop that row in, cut out for my waste. And then I do the same here, exactly the same as that. See how that is, I haven't glued it in place, but see the principle of that? Beautiful. Like the Australian would say, beauty bonds a cracker, mate, 4X. I'll come back to you soon. See ya.